Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are learning of real-time use cases by using the date and time functions of MP script. So here our first use case is a countdown timer for an event, and second we are using using like sending a special offer based on date. This is we are using for the like birthday date, anniversary date, and so many like sub cases are we can generate by this use cases. So let's get it started. We are using the functions like now functions and some specific date by using the now functions like this purpose is return the current date and time, and users in this code provides the starting date for the countdown calculations, and we are giving the some random number like 15 to 2025, and this is purpose of the target date and that's the ending date of the calculating. So here is the preview and test date. Here we can see date difference. The function calculate the number of days between the current date provided by now and the event date. So this is all about the output. The function returns the number representing the number of days left until the event. So this is we are using for the reminder and something like that. If we have an event in the future, we can use this in the real time use cases by the reminder as a reminder. So this is all about the countdown timer for an event, and the second is use cases sending a special offer based on date. So here is the code some current date. We are a variable setup current date is equal to now. Purpose capture the current date and time, and it uses store this value in the variable current date for later comparisons. So here start date is 1/1/2025. So this is defines the start date for the special offer, and it uses the variable holds the date when the offer becomes active. So here end date is 31st Jan 2025, which is define the end date for the special offer, and the variable holds the date when the offer expires, and the conditional statement is determines which message to display based on whether the current date falls within the promotional period. So that's meaning is checks if the current date is the same as or after the start date, or logic if the difference in days from current date to start date is 0 or positive, then the current date is on or after January 1000 to 1 Jan 2025. So date difference current date in the date and days less than 0 is equal to checks if the current date is the same as or before the end date, and logic if the difference in days of a current date to end days is 0 or negative, then the current date is on or before January 31st 2025. Combined conditions like and operators ensure that both conditions must be true, meaning the current date must fall between January 1 2025 and January 31st 2025 inclusive. So setting the message if the condition is true, then outcomes if the current date falls within the promotional period, the special offer message is set. If the condition is false, then check out our latest product, or outcome if the current date is outside the promotional period, a different message is set, encouraging users to explore the product. So here is the some code issues. So let's check what is the issue. So here we forget the I forget the write the conditions. So I think this is the problem. So see here it's now it's correct, and when we are going to the done editing, and then go to the preview, and then displaying the message this is the purpose functions output the value stored in message to the final rendered content and result depending on the current date. Users will see one of the two messages during the promotional period enjoy 20% of your purchase today. Outside the promotional period, check out the latest product. So this is all about the all about this code. So yeah, see here, check out our latest products. So this is all about the real time use cases of date and time functions.